latest digital payment apps or devices which have been available, go for net banking, rather than the other things, right? E-shopping, e-marketing, a lot of portals, a lot of e-commerce platforms are already been there, and we are being, day and night, because they are available 24/7. We are busy in being searching for something or the other, right? Now you all have already an idea about digital marketing. Let's have a glance what the definition says. The term digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels to market products and services in order to reach consumers. Now, one of the prime aspects, हमने देखा था traditional market में, when we are talking about the brick and mortar, it is again been there. The connectivity was limited. अगर आपका shop Delhi में है, people in and around Delhi में, maybe the customers from NCR would be reaching there. Not more than that, right? Anywhere, anytime, feel like can again connect to you through the digital platforms, right? So when this type of marketing involves the use of websites, mobile devices, social media, search engines, and other similar channels, digital marketing became popular after 1990s, right? So when we are talking about the basic motive, since this again lecture is related with somewhat related with the startups, right? It has again been there because more of us have been emphasizing on, rather than job seeker, you should become job providers, right? And it has again been very important today. If you are starting any startup of yours, if any enterprise of yours, you should know what are the techniques, what are the tools which are available in market, which will be helping you in getting your business. Again you would be able to widen your business. Again you are able to generate profit with the minimum investment possible, right? So digital marketing today is one of the prime aspects where the investment is low, but the return on investment is pretty high. It has again been there at times in the initial start. You don't require help of others. If you have the basic knowledge related with it, you can definitely, work yourself, right? Now let us first talk about. Now what has again been there? What are the, when we are talking about that related with, what are the different ways in which the startups, the people who are running the business, who are lacking a lot of funds, right? Who are small business enterprises, for them what they are available in the market, what they are up to, what their product range is all about. Because one thing is very important to understand. Digital marketing itself comprises of two terms, digital and marketing, right? And when we are talking about marketing again is nothing but taking the needs and wants of the customer into consideration, giving them the shape of product or services, and ultimately talking about the customer satisfaction. And when we are doing it digitally, it becomes taking the help of a lot of electronic devices plus the internet. We again talk it as a digital marketing, right? Now, free business listing, it has again been there. You can connect yourself, like Sulekha, Just Dial. There are so many aspects. You can associate with themselves, and people through them can reach you, right? Participate in community events. Any group events have been there. Today you have seen on your social media. You might have seen certain campaigns which have been talking about that they have been conducting certain exhibitions or certain shows. And you are being invited, and plus you are requested to kindly fill the form or make your registration into it, so that they know the interest of the people and they can accordingly make the arrangements, right? So it has again been there, and there is also one of the free service area which is available. I think you all are acquainted with Facebook, and I think everyone is having a account onto Facebook, right? Now you might have seen when you are logging into the Facebook, there is a place, or there is a campaign called Marketplace, right? Where you would be finding the availability in and around your area. What are the products which have been available, how you can access them, right? What are the different varieties or the sizes available? And if the importance of digital marketing is also in the sense, आज भी बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में हिट होता है कोई भी सामान खरीदने में, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि शायद जो चीज हमने देखी है, हमको वो चीज जब रियल फॉर्म में आएगी वैसी नहीं होगी। इसीलिए हम रिटर्न पॉलिसी का भी बहुत ध्यान रखते हैं, और बहुत सारे लोग शॉर्टलिस्टिंग करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ this digital marketing or online aspect, and they try to finally shortlist and go to the showroom itself and see the item, and then finally purchase by paying the amount or something like that. Now when we are talking about create your own company's page onto the Facebook, Instagram, it is very easy, and it is not having any fees onto it for the initial start. You can create your own page, you can give information to the people. As somebody said, brand awareness, making yourself popular, creating your brand image is one of the prime aspects Because obviously when digital marketing started, people don't want to, just use it for the selling purpose. Today, yes, a lot of people are there into D2C, direct to consumer. Websites are having, probability that you can buy from them. But it is not only the aspect when we are talking about the social media marketing, they follow a rule which is known as 70-20-10. 70% is the information which is being shared to the people in the form of content, what you are up to, what your company has been doing, latest information. आपने ये देखा है, human psychology है. आप जब टीवी पर ads देखते हो, आप एक बार कोई नया ad होता है, you are excited, you watch it. If it has been repeated number of times, do you watch the ad? What do you generally do? You skip, right? You change the channel or you try to skip, because today you are into the OTT platforms. You have those kind of facility available, but otherwise previously if that kind of skip was not been there, what we generally used to do, we used to change the channel in order to see दूसरे channels पे क्या आ रहा है, हमारा वो time utilize हो जाए. और कई बार ऐसा होता था कि तीनों चारों channels जहाँ भी हम change करते थे सभी जगह ad आते थे और हम जो है कुछ और काम उस वक्त break में कर लेते थे, right? आज क्या है, आपके पास ऑप्शन है, आप स्किप करते हो. आप अगेन स्टार्टिंग में ही आपके पास ऑप्शन आता है, यू वांट टू पे फॉर इट. अगर आप पे करते हो, यू नीड नॉट टू सी एनी एड्स इन बिटवीन, राइट? इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर फ्री एस्पेक्ट, यू माइट हैव टू वॉच सर्टेन एड्स ड्यूरिंग द होल ड्यूरेशन. आप पे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस और चॉइसेस अवेलेबल है. जब हम ये बात करते हैं, और आज YouTube channel, a lot of people who are creative, those who are excited to do something new. Today again you have a venue available with you that you can create your own YouTube channel and you can start, sharing it among the people among your known, and that is how it gets viral. And maybe if it is having some content into it, some substance into it, maybe people will start liking and you would get a lot of subscribers and you start minting money out of it, right? So any questions will not to be asked by anyone? Anything? I think I'm loud and clear to everyone? Yes. Right. Now let us talk further when we have been talking about. Now it has again been there, let us talk some benefits related with the digital marketing, right? And when we have been talking about, as the very first is the ability to interact with your prospects and learn exactly what they are looking for. That is again, you want to know your customer better. Now what was been happening in the traditional marketing? We were trying to conduct surveys, we were trying to reach people, we would like to know what they are looking for, but again it takes time. And today with the digital platforms, it is very fast. It is interactive. People, you are putting something, immediately there is a response of the customer, whether they like it, whether they don't like it, whether they want any improvisation, whether they are looking for change, whether they want to look for the price, whether they want to look for something else. It is again been there, right? So आपका कनेक्टिविटी जो कस्टमर के साथ है, क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, आपके बीच में इतने सारे चैनल्स होते थे, इतने इंटरमीडिएरीज होते थे, कंपनी को अपने कस्टमर को समझने का, जानने का सही तरीके से मौका नहीं मिलता था. आज इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से they have a direct connect without the intermediaries in between. आपको ये भी पता होगा, जब आप डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे शॉपिंग करते हो, you are having products at a lesser price. होते हैं नहीं होते हैं? Yes, sir. When you go, you find a lot of sales going on, a lot of things, schemes, promotions, campaigns, schemes going on for 2 hours, for 6 hours, 6x6. Nykaa has been celebrating. They are giving you certain offers, right? How is it possible? Why they are able to do so many things and why they are again? Because they know this is lucrative aspect. This is the way they would be able to attract the customer. Consumer psychology है ना हमें लगता है अगर 60% डिस्काउंट है, चलो चल के देखते लेते हैं क्या चीज है, और वो भी ऑनलाइन में, ना कहीं जाना है ना कुछ होना है, 24/7 अवेलेबल है, कहीं टाइम ही नहीं कट रहा. Moving, we are in the metro train. While that 1 hour, we are going to do a lot of hopping, right? We are going to search. We are going to find a lot of information on the products available. We do the comparison on the different portals, and wherever we find the cheap deal possible, we try to finalize. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना कि हमने Amazon पे कुछ देखा और हमने Flipkart से शॉपिंग करी तो Amazon नाराज हो जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ होता है क्या? या उसको मनाना है? हमने तो अपना देखना है ना, हमें क्या चीज सबसे अच्छी, सस्ती और सही तरीके से मिल रही है, right? And today we have that option available as per our requirement, right? So it is again been there. The next aspect says the ability to reach out to anyone, anywhere, as there are no geographical boundaries with digital aspect. पहले क्या होता था? मार्केट जाना है, टाइम होता था, दुकान खुलेगी 10 बजे, right? It will open at 9 or 10 and it will again close by 7 o'clock in the evening. You are working, your parents are working, both of them are working, and they are having an off on Sunday, and by chance that shop is not open on Sunday. So either they have to take a leave to go for a shopping, right? Otherwise in the normal office hours they cannot do the shopping, right? अब डिजिटल से क्या होगा, आपको कुछ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, जहाँ भी बैठे, maybe you know in the lunch hours, your parents can order from their office itself if they are looking for something. It is possible. During the transition from office to home again, that is possible, right? So digital marketing itself has given a very easy aspect to the consumers. The next again important aspect is personalization is been there in the digital marketing. आज की तारीख में we are into the customized world. हमें जो चाहिए, जैसा चाहिए, अपने हिसाब से चाहिए, possible है, but yes we know we have to pay more. आपने I don't know अभी तक पढ़ा या नहीं? Some people over here are having something to discuss. मुझे ऐसा लगा मैंने शायद लेक्चर लेते लेते कोई जोक सुना दिया, you know, some of you are on the lighter side. So अगर ऐसा कुछ है तो let us also share so that we all can enjoy. Ramjot, right? Ramandeep. Ramandeep, okay. तो कुछ है तो सबके साथ में बांट लो। बेटा वो तो अपने आप में है, कंट्रोल इज इन आवर हैंड। अगर हमारी गाड़ी हमारे हाथ में नहीं है तो फिर तो बड़ा मुश्किल है ना? तो अपना aspects has become easier. You can communicate with them. You can again know their likings, preferences. You can ask them if they are looking for any change, if they are looking for any particular style, design. It is possible today. It is again you are able to save your money and your reach is higher. That means your investment is low and your return on investment is on a higher side. क्योंकि आप छोटे से कम बजट में ज्यादा लोगों तक पहुंच सकते हो। ट्रेडिशन में क्या होता था, आपको ये मालूम है एक एड कैंपेन अगर आपको न्यूज़पेपर के लिए करना है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अगर एक एड फर्स्ट पेज फ्रंट पेज ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर आता है, हाउ मच डज इट कॉस्ट? एनी आइडिया? Suppose आपका National Daily is at TOI, right? And the ad is on the very first page. How much does it cost? Anyone has an idea?
5 lakhs.
How much? Somebody says 4-5 lakhs. Anybody else?
Can you repeat the question, please?
The ad on the first page of the National Dailies, right? Hindustan Times or Times of India, whatever. How much does it cost? Any idea? अगर Reliance Jio सिर्फ जियो लिखकर छोड़ देता है पूरे पेज पर, उसको ad लगभग कितने का पड़ता है? Any idea?
Ma'am, it depends upon the occasion and on the day. Ma'am, as on Sunday, the price would be nearly about 3 to 4 lakh rupees, and if it's on weekdays, it would be nearly about 1 to 2 lakh rupees.
सब लोग इसको पकड़ लेना, देखो को he will be giving you the, he would be getting out the ad on such a lesser price, right? बेटा किस जमाने में हो 1-2 लाख रुपए में, अगर आपको you are not getting again, a center spread also. When we are talking about, it is not a matter of that Sunday को newspaper costly होता है इसलिए Sunday को ad का edition महंगा होगा या सस्ता होगा. It is depending upon the circulation. It is depending upon the kind of information you want to share. One ad on the very first page, क्योंकि आपको ये पता होना चाहिए ad की positioning, in the magazine or in the newspaper, there are different rates. Front page, back page, center spread. They are the costliest in the advertising aspect. If you are talking about anywhere the information has been there, you are just taking a small space anywhere. In the newspaper, maybe it costs you certain thousand because that has been charged per centimeter, the charge per inch, the charges has been there. But when we are talking about it really costs you somewhere 10 to 15 lakhs when we are talking about the ad on the very first page and there is nothing else mentioned on the newspaper, right? So आज आपको इतना ज़्यादा खर्चा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है डिजिटल एस्पेक्ट में, आप सिंपल अपना कैंपेन रन कर सकते हो. If you are good at creativity, if you have done the basic, if you have the basic knowledge related with the digital marketing, you can promote yourself in the initial start and when you think your business has started multiplying, you again can go for the creative team. Now the next is, it gives you a better probability to learn your customers more, right? You are again, क्योंकि आज आप देखते हो कोई भी जब आप कैंपेन देखते हो या कोई भी कंटेंट देखते हो किसी भी सोशल मीडिया पर, you are seeing a lot of people are putting likes, certain emojis have been there, certain comments have been there. What do you generally do when you are shopping online? क्या करते हो सबसे पहले? What is the very first thing you do?
Check reviews.
You check reviews, you check ratings, and then you come to that. Okay, this product is worth to watch, worth to spend time on, right? अगर आपको लगता है किसी प्रोडक्ट को रेटिंग 1 or 2 मिली है, you hardly spend time on to that. Right? Because आपको लगता है बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसे ऑलरेडी पहले देखा है और लोगों को पसंद में नहीं आ रहा, so it is not worth watching it. And yes, if somebody will particular product is having a rating of 4 plus, right? You definitely try to look at, और उसके बाद आप reviews देखते हो, और reviews में भी आप देखते हो कि लोगों ने क्या-क्या चीजें बताई हैं, और आप ये देखते हो आज की तारीख में online when you are shopping, a detailed description related with the product is already being given. What kind of like बहुत सारे लोगों का hitch था apparel related. They are very convenient while buying, you know, grocery products online. They are very convenient while electronic items online, but they are having a hitch while buying an apparel online because they are saying, they are believing that they don't know about the texture, they don't know about the color aspect, what they are looking, whether they are going to get the same aspect or not, the size and other things, right? And that is the reason return policy becomes very important in order to give the confidence to the people that look, try it. If you are not getting it as per your requirement, we are ready to accept it and you don't have to pay a single penny for that. You will not be penalized और आपका कुछ खर्च भी नहीं हो रहा, आप घर से बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हो, आपका पेट्रोल एक्सपेंसेस नहीं हो रहा, आप घर से बाहर निकलते हो तो आपको और कोई और खर्चे भी करने पड़ते हैं, पार्किंग करनी पड़ती है या बाकी चीजें करनी पड़ती है, वो आपका सब कुछ you are already been saving. Now I think I have done something. Please be alert. You are not in your dining hall. Hanji. ठीक है? आराम का मतलब इतना नहीं है कि लेक्चर में आप बिल्कुल ही आराम करने लग जाओ, right? So please be in the position. You know, formal setting has been required in the class. Tools, right? Not more, but 4-5 tools which are generally been there available in the today onto the internet, and which you can use in the starters, which can help you because जैसे कि मैंने कहा commercialization है, आपके पास proper professional training नहीं है, लेकिन इन particular softwares का आप इस्तेमाल कर राइट, आप इन टूल्स का इस्तेमाल कर बहुत सारा काम अपना आसान कर सकते हो, जिसमें आपकी प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच भी नजर आएगी एंड अगेन यू वुड बी एबल टू मार्केट योरसेल्फ. नाउ द वेरी फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज Mailchimp. Anyone has used Mailchimp? Okay, one in the class, right? What exactly it's used for?
It's used for mailing, email marketing. Mainly it's used for email marketing.
It is basically a software which is giving you templates, right? Because at times, you know, हर की इंग्लिश इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, हर को, you know, they are not attending the classes of business communication. They don't know what is the formal structure of writing a letter. They might not be knowing the, you know, what are the different heads to be incorporated. Now, this particular software is giving you the, you know, templates related with how should be the appearance, what should be the important elements related with it, so that when you have been sending, it gives a formal look, right? So it has again been there that they start from free aspect, and depending upon what kind of services you have been looking, it may range up to, you know, $199 depending upon, and it is, as said, being used primarily for the email marketing and social advertising tool designed to automate and orchestrate campaigns. आपको बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन अपनी शेयर करनी है, एक फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर में शेयर करनी है, आप यहाँ से टेम्पलेट डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और उन टेम्पलेट्स पर आप वो इन्फॉर्मेशन उसी तरीके से उस फॉर्मेट में डालकर and you can send and it would, so you can track the traffic burn from your campaign. Additionally, Mailchimp offers multiple integrations with other software as services companies, right? So you can again have an integration of different services and you can use it, right? Now moving on to the next is, this is again, you know, you can have an idea that how many people you have been sharing this particular information with, right? It gives you all the records that okay, this email template has been shared with so many people and the information has been there. Next is again Canva. Any one of you have used Canva? A lot of people have used Canva. So what exactly you do in Canva? Right? So you are basically using it for designing purposes. You have been using it for like invites, for presentations, for so many other things. More creative aspects have been there so that it looks more appealing. Right? You have a lot of options over there, and you can create your account by signing in, and then you can utilize these things. Right? If you want to pull a product, you want to again circulate that onto certain social medias, you can use that particular you know, platform. So this is again, you know, so create beautiful images or designs anywhere by using the Canva, right? Next is when we are talking about is Google Analytics, right? Anyone who has used Google Analytics till now? Okay, one or two in the class. Yes, the last one. How you have used it? What exactly the purpose of Google Analytics has been there?
To analyze the performance of the business and how it is being ranked.
Okay.
And how it is performing in different states or different regions.
And you also know about your different customers, right? And how the leads have been generated, yes?
To check the website traffic.
Yes, to check the website traffic, because there are a lot of KPIs, key performance indicators which you have been taking into what is your basic purpose, so that you want to tap that, okay, from which particular location we are getting maximum customers, what is the age group we have been getting as our customers, right? So that when in future we want to formulate these strategies, we can again do that, right? So any questions to be asked till now? Anything to be, if you are having any question to be asked? Okay, fine. Moving on to the next. Google AdWords. Anyone having ideas related with Google AdWords? Yes, Tegjot has used a lot of things, right? Because he has been there having a business. So yes, Tegjot.
Ma'am, Google AdWords, ma'am, is mainly used for specific words that we search in a search engine optimization, we call it. So we mostly use their AdWords. Like I search about something business called EdTech. So different companies will come like Baiju, physics wala, and different will come. So specific words we use in specific business keyword.
Okay. So keywords से आपको समझ में AdWords से समझ में आ रहा है कि कुछ words आपको लेने हैं for advertising, right? यहाँ पर basic क्या होता है Google again, and these are again on the pay-per-click aspects. You have to pay for these keywords, right? Again, a lot of companies have been there, agencies have been there, which are again been providing you with the keywords because they are been extracting out, working onto it, that what are the different words which people have been using in order to search certain sites, right? Certain information. आपको जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि search engine optimization, there are two terms, SEOs and SEMs. One is SEO, that is search engine optimization, and SEM is search engine marketing. What is organic and natural? कोई भी इंसान, आपने देखा है जब कोई टॉप करता है, राइट? कहीं उसका, अभी रिसेंटली आई है यूपीएससी का रिजल्ट आया, हर सोशल मीडिया पर you have been finding the information. Do you think they have asked people to get their interviews published? Right, or people have gone themselves and talked about and tried to get maximum information related with the hidden facts and try to share how they used to study, how much time they used to get, right, what has been the source of inspiration, so many other things have been there, right, those informations have been shared. When we have been talking about SEOs, they are organic and natural means when you are performing well, when you are doing something originally, you are the best brand into the market, you are market leader, people, you are producing a quality product. Might be people saying हमारा product तो नाम से ही बिकता है, हमें क्या जरूरत है, right, कि हम इस तरीके के AdWords को select करें या खरीदें. It is again been there in the competitive race. अंजी, रोज खोलते हो Google, कभी देखा है SERP क्या होता है? It is search engine result pages. जब आप एक information Google पर डालते हो ढूंढने के लिए, आपने देखा है information आती है और नीचे आता है अगर एक पे नहीं मिली 2, 3, 4, 5, so many things have been there. लेकिन हमारी ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी क्या है कि हम ज़्यादातर फर्स्ट पेज पर जो information आती है उसे important मानते हैं, उसे relevant मानते हैं, क्योंकि we want that it is, we know SEM, that is the search engine marketing. We are been paying for certain words, right? हमें ये पता है हमारे को ये words इस्तेमाल करने हैं जिसको हम मार्केट में, जैसे उन्होंने कहा EdTech, all the education, technically providing education, the companies would be there in the list. अब हमने क्या किया है, हमने एक तो हम ये करते हैं मार्केट में बेस्ट है तो हमारा नाम ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर आएगा, लोग हमें पसंद करते हैं, हमारे पर ट्रैफिक जनरेट होगा, लोग हमें ढूंढेंगे नाम से, हमारा नाम दिखता है. दूसरा हुआ कंपटीशन है, भाई आज हम ये सोच रहे हैं पता नहीं कौन आगे ले जाएगा नंबर, इसीलिए we are again been paying and we have been buying AdWords and we have been using those AdWords in the main content so that whenever people have been looking for those words, automatically our portal would be on the top, right? So that is again been there. Moving on to the next. So another aspect is Trello. Anyone has used Trello?